Hello colleagues, this short video will explain how to complete Learning Activity 3.2. So you've just completed the e-learning, you've read about 2 learning design patterns, you've already done the introductory readings, and you can so you know a lot about 2 learning design patterns. Fantastic. So to start with, we will use a Google Doc to share ideas. To access the Google Doc, click here. So this Google Doc opens up and there's purpose, task, and criteria, some text-based instructions. I'll let you read those. When you're ready, then you'll want to click on one of these links to go straight to the particular learning design pattern area. So imagine if you were doing discussion first. So I click on it and then click discussion, and I get taken to discussion. When the discussion page opens, you'll see there's a number of different tables for you and your colleagues to write about discussion, or any of the other 5. The other 5 are exactly the same. You'll see there's the name and discipline. That'll give a little bit of context as to who's writing and what discipline they're in. Then there's 3 questions. Perhaps you already integrate this learning design pattern in your current courses. Fantastic. How do you do it? If not, how would you in the future? Then discussion. We're writing about discussion. So which other learning activities, learning design patterns would you connect this with? Okay, learning activities aren't just necessarily one pattern. They're probably 1 or 2, maybe even more patterns together. And then in the green, why is this learning design pattern appropriate for ZU context? Really drill down on how it's appropriate within your ZU course, your ZU teaching for our ZU students. That's it. Approximately 100 words. This would be your box here, and other faculty would contribute to discussion. To go back to the table of contents, you can double click and then click table of contents. Then after that, you might click practice and go to practice, okay? So that's how you navigate within the document, as well as adding your contributions to it. Over time, we'll see a sort of a bank of ideas of how these learning design patterns are applied or could be applied, and how they're appropriate for ZU courses. Thanks, colleagues. I hope this helps you navigate and put your answers into the Google Doc.